Alright guys, well, we're just gonna do a little update here. What's going on? It's been a while. Well, first off, check this out. It is, what is today's date? The 2nd or the 1st or something like that. And we got a hell of a blizzard on our way. We're on way here. And yeah, check this out. This is just the beginning of it. Some pretty big flakes we got falling, you know. Pretty good sized flakes are falling. And yeah, we're getting quite a bit of snow. Well, we're going to go out here to the shop way out there in a little bit. We're going to do a little update on this Dodge we got sitting here. And maybe we'll fire the plow truck up and get it out of there so it's not stuck, because we're going to get some wicked snow tonight. So yeah. Supposedly this blizzard is supposed to be as bad as 1967 blizzard, they're saying. So yeah, it's gonna be a good one. So yeah, stay tuned guys, and we'll get to these other videos here in a minute. So yeah.